Hi again, this is James from World War II Jeep and Rifle. Today I'm going to show you a little instructional video about the two-piece strap for jerry can mount. If this kind of video is the sort of thing you're into, take some time now and subscribe to the channel. What we're going to talk about today is a simple procedure to rivet the canvas strap together in a two-piece configuration. This is more authentic for World War II jerry can mount on whatever vehicle you're working on. More modern configurations use a single strap. It has a buckle on one end and it just wraps all the way around underneath and it's a little simpler to set up, but not as nice of a touch if you can manage it. So the riveting process is what I'm going to go through today. It's pretty simple. Let's take a look. You can get these two-piece strap sets from different vendors. This one I got from Kaiser Willis, and it's doesn't come with instructions. So I'm showing you, I think, a good way to do this. So first of all, you have to make sure that you're orienting the strap correctly, and you can see how this one's already been done. Okay, long piece in the back and 4 rivets to hold the canvas ends together. I have the rivet pieces right here. It's a two-piece press rivet, but you got to have a pilot hole in your canvas before you can get the rivet in. So you don't want to have a long, loose end like this, otherwise it won't wrap all the way around the jerry can. So get it fairly close, and you see that I've used a Sharpie to mark the locations that I want to go for. Then I use a pick to start a pilot hole. It's pretty tightly wound canvas, so get that hole nice and good. Then I've got a small file also. This is going to help me just get a little bit more abrasion through that hole, widening it enough for the rivet. However you got to do it. Then I take the longer end of the rivet and I poke it through that hole that I just created until it's coming out the other end, clearing some of the threads from the tip. And then the female end of the rivet, just press it with my thumb over that and then get a little bit more of a seating with some pliers. This will not be good enough for final use. And then on an anvil or something really hard like metal, I give it a few taps with the hammer. So it's as easy as that. Punch some holes, widen them out just enough for the rivet. Insert. Clear it out. Mating piece. Get an initial seating. And then tap. 2 more times and you're done. and it's just that easy. Nice touch for whatever vehicle you're working on to add this old school 2-strap system. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like the video, subscribe, and we'll keep showing you more. See you next time.